Yeah. You're a DJ, bro. Don't lie. Alright, ready? Let's go. See me saucing up sentences of old manager. You remember him, all my friends I'm saying. Gin and juice with the extra gin, yeah. They listening to this in New York like 10-10. Now Archer like H. John Benjamin. And stay scheming like an A-bomb technician. I'ma give it to you, offshore in Bermuda. Tell that bitch lick the balls like you're the ruler. Oh, you nasty pappy. Girlies wanna Snapchat their nasty pappy. Like what happy? A pleasy floozy, skeezy hoochie. A needy group for your ski. Hostile little bitch, I'm like the gospel to the bitch. You think I really want hostile the bitch? Got a hot loogie on her booty, it's not just gonna fit. Attitude very rude, like a model or some shit. Got a rocket set of tits, I'm at McDonald's with the bitch. Stop this in the whip, we gotta pop it in this bitch. Yeah, we gotta do the back, we leave it out the front. That was diesel out the front, all my people out the luck. Yeah, got open cases, we smoking aces. The gold teeth, both gold bracelets, and we got that great shit. Yeah, we out here where the days have eyes and nights have ears. NJ, with rats like Fenway. And I triple my money in Penn State, yes way. Triple my money the next day. I said Fred's name on a freight train and let's pay. Press play, but you and all the rest say. GDP can relate to you, I'm like a break day. Folk sensei, and hot box your Hyundai. Rappers on stage like a runway. What would Trump say?
You know what I'm saying? Live drive,
on the headphones, just chill.
Put you in that vibe. I got something for everybody.
I got something for everybody. You know this shit?
Yeah.
You know this one?
Yeah.
It's called Houston Eaters. My girl don't need to know I'm just. My little brother don't need to know I'm always. Oh God, man, trying to touch you like. Separate the sheep from the wolves to get the marks filled. I'm in the hood like drive down and ATMs with 10. Brother Slam House, you dip out when they bring the check. Now put shellfish on the shelf, nah, selfish. Override the pelvis, no helmet, roll up. Pick the pussy up, that's what it's safe for. Ribeye with the steak sauce and jelly with chainsaw, that's my word. Bitches couldn't see me, they were Google Earth. Getting deep now that I'm Suzy Q, with the tuna spurt, spread them all eagle word. Send real to dead end drug era, social animal, put pepper on the lettuce. Six funk legends mention now, it's not for everyone, but it's definitely, yeah, it's incredible. Yo, please, I'll get your girl abracadabra, and put half of my shaft in her scabber. And after rock smash, I call her cabba. You do GDP from West Orange, get your best sergeant sketch artists, I bet they can't draw us.
Yeah. Fucking A.
Bernie Sanders!